What's the meaning of apart from? Apart from. Apart from. Apart from.
Apart from is a preposition commonly used to indicate an exception or exclusion to a particular statement or situation. It is often used to introduce additional information that is relevant, but distinct from the main point being discussed. For example, apart from his excellent grades, he also excels in sports. In this case, the phrase, apart from, is used to acknowledge the individual's academic achievements while also highlighting his athletic ability as separate but notable. Overall, apart from serves as a way to recognize and acknowledge deviations from a given norm or expectation.